Ever wondered what the future holds for your job in the age of artificial intelligence? It's a question that echoes in the minds of many, as we stand at the precipice of a new era, an era where artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept from a science fiction novel, but a reality that's becoming increasingly intertwined with our daily lives. From our smartphones to our cars, AI is everywhere. It's assisting us, learning from us, and in some instances, outperforming us. As we marvel at the convenience and efficiency it brings, there's a lingering, unsettling question. Will AI take over my job? The fear is real, and it's not unfounded. AI's ability to learn, adapt, and execute tasks with precision and speed is a game-changer for many industries. As technology advances, it's inevitable that some jobs will become obsolete. But which ones? Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence has its eyes set on a variety of jobs. Imagine a world where your daily grind is managed by an algorithm. This future is not as far-fetched as it seems. AI's ability to learn, adapt, and execute tasks with precision makes it a formidable contender in the job market. First on the list are jobs involving repetitive or manual labor. Imagine a factory where robots, not humans, assemble intricate parts with speed and accuracy. These machines need no breaks, no sick leave, and make no errors due to fatigue. Next, consider data entry clerks. These jobs, often characterized by monotony, are ripe for automation. AI can process vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. Then, there's telemarketing. We've all received those automated calls, right? AI can handle these tasks tirelessly, reaching out to potential customers, answering queries, and even handling complaints without human intervention. Lastly, retail jobs are also in AI's sights. From self-checkout counters to AI-powered customer service bots, the retail landscape is rapidly changing. AI's efficiency and cost-effectiveness make it a viable replacement in these sectors. However, does this mean that all our jobs are at risk? But it's not all doom and gloom. Let's look at jobs that are less likely to be replaced by AI. Despite the rise of AI, there are still many jobs that require a human touch. Now, let's delve into the professions that are less likely to be threatened by the advent of artificial intelligence. Firstly, let's consider jobs that require creative thinking. Artists, writers, and musicians, for instance, use their unique perspectives and emotions to create works of art that resonate with people on a deeply personal level. It's a realm where AI, despite its computational prowess, struggles to compete. Now think about professions that demand a high level of emotional intelligence. Therapists, social workers, and counselors play crucial roles in our society, providing support and guidance to individuals navigating through life's challenges. Their ability to empathize, understand, and connect with humans is something that AI, at least for now, cannot replicate. Next, consider the realm of education. Teachers not only impart knowledge but also inspire, motivate, and shape young minds. They adapt to each student's unique learning style and provide real-time feedback. It's a level of personal interaction and impact that AI is yet to match. Lastly, let's look at healthcare professionals. Doctors, nurses, and paramedics use their expertise and judgment, often under pressure, to make life-saving decisions. They also provide comfort and reassurance to patients, a crucial aspect of healing that goes beyond the scope of AI. So while AI is transforming the job market, it's not erasing the human element. The jobs we've discussed today underline the importance of those uniquely human traits that machines can't replace, at least not yet. So fear not, the future of work still has plenty of room for us humans. The future of jobs in the age of AI is a mixed bag of opportunities and challenges. As we delve deeper into this exciting era, it's worth noting that artificial intelligence is not merely a job killer, but also a job creator. Sure, it will disrupt traditional roles, but it will also pave the way for new ones. Imagine roles that haven't even been thought of yet, born out of the marriage between human creativity and AI capabilities. And let's not forget the jobs that AI will enhance, making them more efficient, more precise, and dare we say more interesting. Yes, the landscape of work is changing, but isn't that the beauty of progress? It pushes us to learn, to adapt, to grow. It's a call to become lifelong learners, to develop new skills, and to embrace change. So as we stand at the crossroads of AI and employment, remember, adaptability is our greatest strength.